Marabu presents the ClearShield Product Series. In this video, we will demonstrate a mixing and application guide for the Marabu ClearShield Professional Anti-Graffiti two-part system. Why risk having your expensive and time-consuming printing jobs to be ruined by damaging graffiti? Instead, use Marabu's ClearShield Anti-Graffiti Coating to protect your work. Prints coated with anti-graffiti can easily be cleaned with acetone or paint thinner. Simply wipe the pre-treated area and watch the damage disappear. Applying ClearShield is easy. Start by mixing the two-part system by using an 8:1 ratio. The correct amounts for common volumes are listed on the Part A bottle. Here we will use 1 pint or 16 fluid ounces as a demonstration. Measure out your desired amount of Part A to be used within 3 hours. Using a mixing container of an appropriate size, add the measured ClearShield Professional Anti-Graffiti Part A liquid. Next, we will determine the Part B ratio according to the amount of Part A chosen. In this example, because we use 16 fluid ounces of Part A, we will use 2 fluid ounces of Part B. When using the twin neck Part B bottle, measuring has never been easier. Simply loosen the cap over the small measurement chamber and squeeze to fill. Here we will fill the chamber with the first ounce of Part B. Then remove the cap and add it to the measured Part A. Then we will repeat the step for a total of 2 fluid ounces. Once added, stir the mix for approximately 5 minutes to ensure an even distribution. The ClearShield Professional Anti-Graffiti two-part system is now ready for use and may be applied using an air paint sprayer, typically between 35 to 55 psi, with a 1.4 to 1.8 mm tip, or by simply using a fine short nap paint roller. 1 to 2 coats are sufficient for most substrates, waiting an hour in between applications. The self-leveling ClearShield coating ensures a smooth finish after drying and should be fully cured, offering full graffiti protection after 48 hours. Marabu's ClearShield Professional Anti-Graffiti offers the latest advancements in water-based clear coats and liquid laminate technology, protecting prints from damage caused by graffiti, prolonging image life with industry-leading UV protection, and is compatible with a wide variety of substrates. For additional information on Marabu products, be sure to visit marabu-northamerica.com. Thanks for watching.